Human nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is the sum of processes by which an organism consumes and utilizes food substances. The term nutrition includes the processes like ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Human digestive system. Digestive system of man consists of alimentary canal and associated digestive glands. Alimentary canal. It is about 8 to 10 meters long and consists of following organs. Mouth, also called as oral or buccal cavity, is bounded by fleshy lips. Teeth. 32 teeth are present. Tongue. It is a muscular fleshy organ and roughly triangular in shape. Pharynx. The buccal cavity leads to a short pharynx. Pharynx is a common passage for food and air. Esophagus. The esophagus is a thin muscular tube. It lies behind the trachea. Stomach. Stomach is located in the upper left portion of abdominal cavity. Cardia or cardiac. The cardia surrounds the band of circular muscles present at the junction of esophagus and stomach called cardiac sphincter. Fundus. It is the dome-shaped region above and left of cardia. Body. It forms the large central portion of stomach and stores the food. Pylorus. It opens into duodenum, the initial part of small intestine. Small intestine. In humans, it is about 6 meters long and 2.5 centimeters broad tube coiled within abdominal cavity. It is divided into 3 parts: duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. Large intestine. It is 1.5 meters in length. It is wider in diameter and shorter than the small intestine. Cecum, colon, and rectum. Anus. It is guarded by sphincter. It expels fecal matter by a process called egestion or defecation. Historical structure of alimentary canal. The entire gastrointestinal tract is lined by 4 basic layers from inside to outside, namely mucosa, submucosa, muscularis, and serosa. These are shown in the figure. These layers show modification depending on the location and function of the organ concerned. Egestion. Undigested waste is converted to feces in colon and reaches the rectum. Feces contain water, inorganic salts, slough of mucosal cells, bacteria, and undigested food. Distension of rectum stimulates pressure-sensitive receptors that initiate a neural reflex for defecation or egestion. It is a voluntary process that takes place through anal opening guarded by sphincter muscles. Digestive glands. The digestive glands associated with the alimentary canal include the salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. Nutritional disorders and disorders of digestive system. Nutrition-related disorders can be categorized based on the food that an individual consumes and conditions that develop due to malfunctioning of the organs or glands associated with digestive system. Kwashiorkor. Children suffering from kwashiorkor are underweight and show stunted growth, poor brain development, loss of appetite, anemia, protruding bellies, slender legs, bulging eyes, oedema of lower legs and face, change in skin and hair color. Marasmus. In this disease, protein deficiency is coupled with lower total food caloric value. Indigestion, overeating, inadequate enzyme secretion, spicy food, anxiety can cause discomfort and various symptoms. Constipation, difficulty in defecation may result in abdominal pain, distortion, rarely perforation. Diarrhea, passing loose watery stools more than 3 times a day is called diarrhea. Diarrhea can lead to dehydration. Jaundice, we all associate jaundice with yellowness of conjunctiva of eyes and skin and whitish stool. It is a sign of abnormal bilirubin metabolism and excretion. Vomiting, in this condition, the stomach contents are thrown out of the mouth due to reverse peristaltic movements of gastric walls. It is typically associated with nauseatic feeling. That is all in this chapter. Thank you.